India's fifth generation fighter program is taking flight. But on the ground, a new battle is brewing, which is Karnataka versus Andhra Pradesh. And at the center is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, or HAL, which is the soul of India's aerospace defense. In a strategic pitch, Andhra Pradesh CM Chandrababu Naidu has offered 10,000 acres in Lepakshi, which is just 70 km from Bengaluru's airport. He is proposing a greenfield HAL facility to manufacture platforms like the LCA Tejas. It's part of a larger vision to position Rayalaseema as the India's next defense manufacturing hub. But this offer, though not a relocation, has triggered alarms in Karnataka. And Karnataka's top leadership sees HAL as non-negotiable. Deputy CM DK Shivakumar said that HAL is not just a plant, it's an ecosystem that we have nurtured since Nehru's time. And we've already provided land in Tumkuru and Bengaluru for HAL's expansion. If more is needed, we'll give that too, but not elsewhere. Industries Minister MB Patil echoed the same. No CM can relocate HAL, but Karnataka will fight any move that weakens our defense corridor vision. And this concern isn't just symbolic, it's about retaining thousands of high-skilled jobs, decades of technical know-how, and India's most integrated defense supply chain that is rooted in Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh has officially denied seeking any relocation, and Naidu clarified that we've never asked for HAL Bengaluru to be shifted. We only proposed a new facility in Lepakshi. Karnataka misunderstood our intention. And the reasoning is the close proximity to Bengaluru, ample land, and a high potential for a greenfield aerospace corridor. Sources say that Naidu wants Andhra to complement but not compete with HAL's legacy units. And India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, the AMCA, its program has just been greenlit. And the Ministry of Defense approved its execution model with HAL and ADA, which is the Aeronautical Development Agency, that is leading from Bengaluru. But expanding production to meet IAF demands will require more land, more infrastructure, faster throughput, and that's where Naidu's offer gains strategic weight. And the question is, should the expansion happen within Karnataka, where the ecosystem already exists, or should India create a second aerospace hub in Andhra and diversifying risk and adding capacity? Remember, HAL is not just Karnataka's pride, it's India's frontline for self-reliant defense manufacturing. From Tejas to Dhruv helicopters, from Sukhoi overalls to AMCA prototypes, HAL carries decades of R&D, defense-grade compliance, and skilled manpower. And if expansion leaves Karnataka, it also risks disrupting the vendor ecosystems, talent flight, and strategic fragmentation. But supporters of Andhra's proposal argue that India needs multiple aerospace hubs to meet the growing defense needs, to reduce bottlenecks, and build regional equity. And the final call lies with the Union Defense Ministry. While Rajnath Singh has approved HAL's AMCA execution from Bengaluru, there is no formal decision yet on greenfield expansions. Both states are waiting, and the center must now choose: protect legacy or build capacity. This isn't just a tug-of-war over land. It's about defense sovereignty, industrial strategy, and who gets to build India's aerospace future. So what do you think? Should HAL expand to Andhra, or should it stay anchored in Karnataka? Let us know in the comments below. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember to think AI, think AIM.